To edit a new video, click on New Project. This will load up Camtasia. Once it's loaded, you'll see 3 parts to the main screen. This is the preview screen. This is the media bin, where you get all your media. And this is the timeline. You can see your frame rate over here. You can zoom in and zoom out on your timeline. You have libraries here. If you open icons, you can see buildings. I suggest that you go through all of these libraries over here. You can set some favorite effects and then store them over here. You have annotations. You have transitions. You have behaviors which you can add to text. You have some animations here. You have cursor effects. Like you can magnify your cursor, add a spotlight to it, or highlight it, or even cursor smoothing. Voice narration. You can type something over here. Select a microphone. Select the volume and start recording. Audio effects. You can have noise removal, fade in, fade out, audio compression, or clip the speed. There's more here. Into visual effects, you can add a border, clip the speed, like speed up the video by 2 times, adjust the color, and many more, like remove a color. Interactivity. You can add some quiz or something on your video. Captions. So to import media, you can right click in the media bin or click on import media or this plus icon. Import from Google Drive or from what is on your PC. You can select individually or just select them like this and open. So that's how you import media into Camtasia.